Today we are checking out something really cool, the INKWON Tag, which is being called the world's first 4-in-1 pocket color inkjet printer. This is not just a regular mini photo printer. The idea here is to give creators, do-it-yourself lovers, small business owners, and everyday users a tiny portable creative studio that can print on different surfaces. With INKWON Tag, you can print tattoo stickers, heat transfer designs for shirts or tote bags, regular stickers, and small photo prints, all from one compact device. It connects through Bluetooth 5.4 and works with the app, where you can upload images, edit them inside the app, and send them directly to the printer. It supports both iOS and Android, so most smartphone users should be covered. Another impressive feature is the 600 dpi resolution. For a device this small, that's a very nice detail because you are not just printing random low-quality graphics, you are getting sharp and clean results, especially for small designs, tattoos, labels, stickers, and custom gifts. You can print temporary tattoos, logos, fun designs, or even test a tattoo idea before getting real ink. Then you have the heat transfer mode, which is great for customizing shirts, tote bags, socks, camera straps, or even covering a stain on a shirt with a creative graphic. This makes it fun not only for personal use, but also for small businesses, Etsy sellers, pop-up shops, and creators who want custom branding without ordering in bulk. The printer uses a CMI tricolor DYE-based ink cartridge, and the battery gives around 90 minutes of continuous printing, or up to about 60 sheets on a full charge, depending on the design and coverage. The max print width is around 45 mm, so it is made for small creative designs, not big prints. Also, it works with smartphones only, which is the main point of this product. It's not trying to be a full printer, it's trying to be a portable creativity tool, something you can quickly use to bring ideas into the real world. Overall, the INKWON Tag is a very interesting gadget for people who love do-it-yourself, fashion customization, temporary tattoos, journaling, small businesses, branding, and creative gifts. This is all about this product. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time.